This is CAT S75 and today I would like to show how you can set up and use the Nearby Share feature on this device. So first step that I recommend taking is to enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then open the control panel and try to find the shortcut for the Nearby Share. If it is not present over here, go into the list of unused tiles and drag the Nearby Share from it to the main quick access list. Then get back, touch and hold at its icon, and finally, in order to enable this feature, simply toggle on this switch. Now you can rename the device if you want to. You can make it visible or invisible, as well as control its visibility. And finally, you can also change the data mode or data network type that will be used for the file transfer. Now everything is set up and ready to be used, so I will try sending the screenshot I have over here through the Nearby Share and see how well it performs. As you can see, the file or the picture was successfully transferred, thus sent and received. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.